What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys real quick about the ongoings of the whole entire breakdown of common sense when you go to the supermarket. Wear a mask. It's just polite etiquette in this time. Kind of goes against the notion of being free, right? It goes against the notion of um, being humble and just being on your own, being independent, and you're thinking, why should I wear a mask? Because it's against my constitutional rights. It's really not about constitutional rights in this time. It's more or less about caring about other people besides yourself. Now, I would prefer not to wear a mask, right? But with all the numbers and all the information they're giving us, it's just, let's just wear a mask, Um, let's wear a mask to be safe. Let's be a mask to be courteous. Let's wear a mask to get along with other people. Let's let's not fight. Like I was reading a news article online. It talks about how how someone got so offended by the store policy, right? They're in Starbucks in Los Angeles. The guy just takes a swing at the barista, breaks their jaw. Now that person, that customer of Starbucks, is probably left and is wanted by the police. That's not how you behave in today under the conditions that we're living under, with the stock market going up and down, with medical issues going just like off the charts right now. And it makes no sense. It just doesn't make normal sense, right? It is not normal. So, message to the wise, you know, have patience with people. People are on edge already. Be patient with people. Do not react to their anger. Do not react to their anger. It's like a wave coming at you. You're already stressed out. You're uncertain about the situation in life. Be still and know that the Lord God is God of heaven and earth. Be still and know God. Take a deep breath in that moment. Take a deep breath and thank God for everything you've had many blessings for. And it's real simple that you're not always going to be able to live that easy life that you want. And powers that are greater than us in earth are uh, so out of control right now. Let's call it evil, right? Whatever's going on, and some people are so money hungry right now, so out of control, and the little people have to pay for it, right? And it's not right. It's evil, and these people. Let's just say we don't get to live our normal lives, and we have to become more flexible with each other. And there's a lot of people that want a certain thing in America, and um, we need to be patient and seek clarity and understanding from God. We're really looking for wisdom. What many people call common sense is not really common, but wisdom. When you're not over over when you're not overreacting, right, to the situation. Someone gets mad, you get scared. You might overreact. You overreact in one way or another, and you might make the situation worse. Be still and know that the Lord God, right, God in heaven, is God of heaven and earth, meaning that evil will not prevail. forever. And evil does not prevail. When you are being still and knowing what God wants you to do, by not overreacting, by not taking action immediately. Like some people will shove a camera in your face, right? There's agitators. There's people that go around with cameras or their phones thinking that they're the next whatever on YouTube, the next whatever on social media, the next whatever on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, any of these video things. And you might be in the news because you overreacted. You become the next Karen. You become the next. You just become an embarrassment to yourself. See, I've had people stick cameras in front of me, or they might follow me. There might be. I don't know why. Well, I do why. I don't share their politics. I don't share their view in the world. And that's okay. What I try to do is I simply don't react to whatever they got going on. I sit there and I'm calm, right? Be calm. Don't let into whatever's going on. And if you do that, you're going to be further down the road in life because you're not going to let them win. And it's important to know that God is God of heaven and earth. And if you like this video, give it the big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and as always, stay tuned for more. Thank you.